back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install roof rack from EVBASE, and these are all the materials and how we're gonna install them. This is for the back and this is for the front. Let's go ahead and open them one by one. This is our tool and here are the keys. And these are all the bolts and screws, one and two for the back. Let's open this. Two for the front and two for the back. Again, two for the front and two for the back. These are for the guidance sticker. Before I install them, I check the instructions. I didn't install them yet, but I just put all the stuff there. Let's take it out and put it aside. Let's take this out and put it aside. These are all the stuff we need. R2. There is an icon over there. It shows right rear. It's right there. And right front, and then left front, and that one is rear left. Let's clean it. We are done with the cleaning. Here is the protective film. We're just gonna apply it right there in the middle. We will use this to lift this area, and we're gonna put this metal right there. That's wonderful. And let's put this also. We are done with the right side front. Let's continue with the other ones. Here we have. And we're gonna put the plastic right there. Let's continue with the other ones. Let's continue with the rear left. And the front. You need to lift it. Now it's in place. It's wonderful. Let's go ahead and put the roof racks. Let's go ahead and put the back first. Right side. And that side. I will put the front side. Here is the front side. And we're gonna put the screws. Last thing is we're just gonna close this. It's in place now, and here. Let me go ahead and test it. As you see, it is very strong and attached. If you want to take it out, you need to use these keys. Just remove it and then take this out. Then use the key to unlock it or lock it. Now you can take it out. See, it's easy. Thanks for watching.